Welcome back to Server Factory. Today we will be looking in depth at the liquid cooling solutions available from Supermicro and how they are beneficial both to businesses and to the environment. Green computing is becoming more and more present in mainstream tech applications, with environmentally conscious businesses opting for systems that reduce their carbon footprint as greatly as possible. Fortunately, Supermicro are an industry leader when it comes to high-performance liquid cooling server solutions. Supermicro understand the implications of not providing adequate liquid cooling solutions, with the cost to cool data centers rapidly increasing with a correlating increase in system wattage. A direct result of this wattage increase is a resultant increase in wasted heat, which reduces the efficiency of components. We all know that overheating must be avoided. Supermicro utilizes a variety of liquid cooling methods for their systems. Let's take a look at the first, called liquid-to-liquid cooling, also known as direct-to-chip cooling. With this configuration, liquid passes directly onto the surface of a chip, drawing heat away. This liquid is subsequently cooled through a liquid-to-liquid heat exchanger that can be integrated into a rack or contained externally. This is a great choice for space-sensitive solutions, as the exchanger can be integrated directly into the rack enclosure, though if required can be scaled to data center level. Looking at the second of Supermicro's three cooling options, we have air-to-liquid cooling. This rack-integrated solution relies on liquid to cool the air exhausted from the systems, utilizing a heat exchanger. Several powerful fans in the rack rear door draw hot air away from the servers and cool the air before it's returned to the data center. The cooling liquid is chilled externally to the door. This solution is effective at cooling entire racks of servers without having to integrate the cooling system into individual systems. The third and final liquid cooling system utilized by Supermicro is suitably named immersive cooling. Immersive cooling is a simple concept whereby all components are cooled through the entire system, being submerged in a coolant. This coolant liquid is cycled through a chilled water tank, maintaining a constant temperature within the system, with excess heat expelled through additional fans. Immersive cooling is a more effective, though costly, cooling solution that can support significantly higher net TDP. There are a select number of Supermicro systems for different use cases that support liquid cooling. These system types are Big Twin, Superblade, Ultra and GPU. Let's briefly run through the details. Big Twin spec systems are Supermicro's flagship model systems for the most demanding applications. This design supports 4 nodes within a 2U chassis, allowing for dual 3rd Gen Intel Xeon processors, up to 20 DIMMs of DDR4 or PMEM, and up to 6 NVMe drives. Shared power and cooling between the nodes maximizes resource saving. Superblade systems are alternatively optimized for high-density solutions, with a focus on maximum efficiency. This is achieved through the shared cooling, power and networking infrastructure system of 20 blade servers in a single HU chassis. Advanced networking options such as 200 gig HDR InfraBand allow Superblade to meet today's demanding network criteria. Supermicro's Ultra Super servers deliver the highest flexibility, scalability and serviceability while maintaining performance. Ultra systems are available in both 1U and 2U form factors and support dual 3rd Gen Intel Xeon or AMD EPYC processors. With up to 32 DIMMs of DDR4 memory, multiple storage configurations, and up to 25 gig Ethernet, Ultra systems are a very versatile option. Finally, we have Supermicro's GPU systems. Supermicro's GPU systems are at the forefront of today's AI and high-performance computing development, combining the fastest processors, memory, and GPUs. The 2U or 4U specification can support 4 or 8 NVIDIA A100 GPUs with NVLink and NVSwitch respectively. The systems are powered by the same powerful 3rd Gen Xeon or EPYC processors and 32 DIMMs of DDR4 memory as an Ultra system, allowing for a compact but zero compromises system. All of the aforementioned solutions support Supermicro's liquid cooling systems, greatly improving their efficiency in any application. By switching from air conditioning to liquid cooling, you could reduce operating expenses by more than 40%. Vast amounts of energy is saved additionally through reducing system fan operation. On average, you can see a 1-year average payback on facility investment, giving Supermicro's liquid cooling solution a great ROI value. Not just financially can liquid cooling benefit you, it can greatly improve heat removal, with liquid being fundamentally more efficient than air by up to 1,000 times. By opting for liquid, you are future-proofing yourself in the event that CPUs and GPUs of the future may require liquid cooling as air cooling capacity reaches its limit. Finally, a crucial fact is that liquid cooling reduces environmental impact of modern data centers due to the decrease in overall power consumption. It's a key responsibility of us all to take care of our planet. What do you think of Supermicro's liquid cooling solutions? Let us know in the comments. If you want more information, feel free to contact us at the email in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe and ding the notification bell if you enjoyed, and we will see you next week.